Hello everyone, this is Ken Mid. Today, we'll disassemble this modeling clay Tesla and perform a crash test on it. This is the same Tesla of Elon Musk that's currently in space. The car is functional, it can drive. I made spinning wheels, as you can see, it can roll easily. The main thing is that the wheels don't fall off during the crash test. I also have a full review of this car on my channel, so you can follow the link and check it out here. We have that same white mannequin in a spacesuit, and it's strapped in with seat belts, so in theory, it shouldn't fly out during the collision. I made the car pretty sturdy to get those kinds of bends, so I don't know if we'll be able to completely crush it or not. Alright, let's get to the crash test itself. So how is our crash test going to go? It will be conducted as follows. Here we have the Tesla itself attached to a string. The string is pulled, and here we have the block of modeling clay that the Tesla will crash into, firmly attached. Right now, there's a hole in it through which the string passes, and the car is remote controlled. We'll use it to drive and accelerate this Tesla. That way it will crash into this block, and we get this kind of simulated paint. Well, let's get started. Well, just as I thought the impact was weak, the cables snapped. This is infinity, so what did we get? We managed to slightly dent the bumper. I thought it was very weak, so let's try again with more effort. The bumper got slightly dented, just a little bit. That's what I thought. Yeah, it turned out very weak. Let's try again now. Nothing at all, the Tesla didn't even feel it. It's a block, a dull thud, and that's it. There are no consequences. So now I'm going to push the car into this block with my hand a bit harder. It should turn out more interesting. I pushed much harder than the car did, but it turned out too sturdy. Again, no damage. The bumper got a little dented, just a bit, and that's it. Now I'll try again, even harder this time. Finally, we got something worthwhile. I sped it up this time. It got really dented. We got it. The wing in the middle part got bent for an hour. Oh, poor sad Tesla. And the front fender got bent along with the hood and the wheel. We needed to learn, but now it seems like it can't go anymore. It doesn't drive. The front wheel is stuck, as if our bumper got bent too. Well, these are the kind of crash tests I wanted to do so that the front part of the car would bend. Now I'm going to try it. One more time. I accelerated it so much that the front part actually lifted off the ground. So that's how the front part of the wheel got bent. And now it probably won't fit in the cabin anymore. We're basically alright. That's when the problem happened, it got bent like that. All in all, it turned out pretty cool. Now let's try a side impact with the car using the white infinity, aiming at the control path mirror and move the car to the side. And infinity. I crashed into the infinity 3 times, into the side of the Tesla. Our door is already much more dented, and the third hit landed on the front fender. Our wheel got bent, and now they can't spin. Only the rear ones can. Doesn't make me angry. That's the kind of damage we have now. I'll set it like this, and we'll try to hit the rear bumper a couple of times. The door got bent even more. So at the back here we have... So here's a small dent, and basically that's it. There's nothing special about the back part. Now let's try hitting the rear bumper again, a couple more times as well. In the rear part, the rear bumper is already pretty dented and the rear fender got bent like this. Here we have the same thing bent. Now the wheel is locked and doesn't turn. As for the interior, basically everything is fine. Mannequin was already quite shaken up here. So the front part is bent even more now. That's how it turned out right here. It's already cut through. A piece of clay has already come off in the front wing. And finally, let's drop it onto this block from a height of about 2 meters. I'll just throw it onto this block at the end. Let's put it this way. There you are, just lying there. Delicious thread movie. Right on target, landed perfectly on its side, and my cat was about to get it. Still, look at why it's falling. It slowly fills up and falls. Alright. The mannequin there has already slid off the seat completely, even though I attached it properly so it would stay on the front part. Ours is already completely bent, just flattened into some kind of pancake. Everything turned yellow. That's it for the car. Now we'll drop it again on the rear part. Now we need to vlog there. The car landed hard. Is this a demonstration for someone's vlog? Okay. That's what we needed. It worked. The mannequin is already completely... So Ken is sitting on the stage like, damn, seriously. It was a total mess in the car, really wild. I got messed up, the wheel got bent too, I was completely done for. So that's where I ended up, right here. The glass, this vine hit, decided to. A piece of the roof later hit my face. So that's how it turned out. Well, I think that's enough for this car. We'll wrap it up here. Friends, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was interesting to watch, and this was Visum with you. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Alright, goodbye everyone. And finally, I decided that since I have to rebuild this car, take it all apart, and put it back together again, I might as well do something with it. Now we're going to crush it completely against this wall. Well, the plate block will act like a press at the end, so to speak. So come with me then. Basically, it's just all meat. That's it for this video now for sure. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.